Ingredients for Dhaba Style Chicken Curry: chicken, onions, garlic, ginger, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, cumin seeds, pepper seeds, cloves and cinnamon, green chilies, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, salt, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, half lemon, oil. So it's time to marinate the chicken. So let's marinate the chicken with salt. I've used 2 tablespoons of salt. Then let's use 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic. Half a lemon. So let's squeeze the lemon juices out of it. Mix it well so that it gets marinated. Marinate this for at least 30 minutes so that the chicken becomes soft and tender. Set it aside. Now it's time to make a paste. Let's use the mixie jar. Put onions, 2 onions, then garlic cloves, ginger, and 3 to 4 green chilies. Make a fine paste out of it. If you want to make huge quantity, like if you want more masala, you can use a lot of onions, the ginger and the garlic. So I'm just making it for 3 to 4 people. I've used half a kg of chicken. For half a kg, the quantity which I've used is more than enough. Extract all the fine paste of onion into a bowl. Let's see how to cook. Switch on the stove. Okay, heat the pan very well. Once it is getting heated, so add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Add cumin seeds. You can add just 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Then 3 to 4 cloves and cinnamon. Add 5 to 6 pepper seeds. Sort it very well. You can actually smell the aroma coming off all the cumin seeds, the cloves and the cinnamon. Make sure you do not burn these, so keep it in low flame. Once it is getting cooked, add all the paste which you actually made previously. Stir it very well. You need to keep stirring continuously so that the oil oozes out from the mixture of this. Since we have used this onion, it'll be like a bit smelly. So let's add turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Mix it very well. The smell goes away from this onion. You can actually see it's leaving the oil, so it's getting cooked really well. I have reduced the flame of this. You can now see the onion paste is really cooked well. It's time to add the other ingredients. Let's add 2 finely chopped tomatoes into it. Mix it very well and allow the tomatoes to cook very well. Let's add 1 tablespoon of salt to taste. Remember, you had actually marinated the chicken with salt, so let's add just 1 tablespoon of salt to it. So once the tomatoes is cooked very well, you can actually see the juices coming out of it. So let's add the other ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. One to 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder. This is according to your taste. Then half a tablespoon of garam masala. This is completely based on your taste. I'm using garam masala just for the taste purpose. Make sure these masalas which you have added does not get burnt in the flame. So let it sim and mix it very well. Now it's time to add the marinated chicken. So add all the chicken into the pan. Mix it very well. The chicken should get bind with the masala which you have put it inside. Since the masala is dry now, you can add water for consistency. If you want to make it dry, you can make it dry, or if you want this to come as a chicken curry, so add 2 glasses of water. So I mix this chicken very well. So I still want 1 glass of water. So I'm adding an extra glass of water. Remember, this chicken can be used for 4 people. Let it boil for some time and cook very well. You can cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. Since it is already marinated, it's okay to cook for 20 to 25 minutes maximum. I'm taking off the lid. You can see it's boiling very well. It's cooked almost. The chicken curry is done. So last portion is to marinate this chicken curry with coriander leaves. So let's add some coriander leaves, sprinkle over it. You can just take this away once the coriander leaves is added. If not, you can still continue to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So my chicken curry, the Dhaba Style Chicken Curry is cooked. Switching it off. Time to serve and eat. I've just decorated with the rice, the coriander leaves, and adding some chicken and the curry. It's time to serve the chicken curry to you guys. Please do try this in your house and please provide the valuable feedback. Thank you very much and happy cooking.